SurePrep tax software review usage experience. SurePrep is a tax automation software provided specializing in enhancing the efficiency of 1040 tax return process for accounting firms. Their suite of products include Tax Caddy, 1040 Scan, and SP binders, each designed to streamline various aspects of tax preparation and client collaboration. And here are the key features about this platform, which is Tax Candy, a client collaboration platform that simplifies document collection and communication between tax payers and tax professionals, and also 1040 scan and optical character recognitions OSR tools that automate the extraction of data from tax documents and reducing manual data entry, and also SP Binder, which is a work paper management system that organizes and standardizes the tax document, facilitating a more efficient review process. And here's the pros and cons about this platform, which is a increased efficiency with integration capabilities and user-friendly interface. And here's the downside, which is a pricing features. Some users have experienced concern about the cost, which is nothing that setup fee can range from about $1,000 to $2,000 with a optional charge per return varying between $12 and $100, and also a variable performance. And here the final verdict about this platform. SurePrep offers a robust suite of tools designed to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of 1040 tax return preparation. Its integration capabilities and user-friendly interface make it a valuable asset for many accounting firms. However, potential users should carefully consider the pricing structure and assess the software's suitability for their specific client base and return complexities before implementation.